Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in Law of Attraction we'll discuss one of the methods that is usually used and implemented in Law of Attraction, that is visualization. Visualization is a technique or a tool that is used and implemented a lot of times in Law of Attraction to get more and more success from your life, and this is one of the method and technique used in Law of Attraction. Now, what is visualization in the first place? Visualization is used as a tool in Law of Attraction to visualize a desire to attract a desire. Now, as we all know, Law of Attraction basically means we attract what we want, whether positivity or negativity. You attract like, you will get like. Similarly, if you attract a desire, you will get a desire. Now that desire is basically we are visualizing in our mind to make it happen in your life. You're fantasizing, you're living in a dream, you're visualizing in your mind, in your subconscious mind, a desire, and for the desire to attract into your life. And that is what precisely visualization is all about. Law of Attraction visualization is all about creating a mental image of you realizing a goal. If you have a goal, let's say 6 months after you are going to write an important exam, if you pass in that exam, you will get a great job, the dream job that you always wanted. So what you are doing right now is you are creating a mental image of that goal into your mind by visualizing it. Like you are going to get a dream job of your life by writing this exam and passing that exam. Visualization is all about creating a mental image of you realizing a goal. That is what visualization is all about. You are creating a mental image of something that is going to happen and which is basically your goal. It's not about your desire, it's about your mind energy. It has nothing to do with the desires. It's about your mind energy. You are filling your subconscious mind with certain things that is surely is going to happen in your life. And that is what mental imaging is all about. And that is what visualization is all about. And visualization is a very powerful technique. It is not wishful thinking. It is not daydreaming. Visualization technique really works in Law of Attraction. How real visualization technique works? It activates your creative subconsciousness. The subconscious mind is activated by using this visualization technique. It programs your subconscious mind. Programming your subconscious mind plays a very important, crucial and critical role in getting your desired goals and objectives of your life. You need to program your subconscious mind with all the positive things, with all the optimism, with all the goals and the objectives of your life. You have to program your mind, and visualization helps you in programming your mind. It builds your internal motivation. The more you visualize of something happening in your life, it actually motivates you to get closer to it. It gets you done it. It helps flow positive energy. The more the visualization, the more the positive energy. It makes you proactive and attracts towards Law of Attraction. The more the proactive, the better the results will be. And this is how visualization actually works for you. Visualization techniques. Mental rehearsal technique. Like for example, if you are going to do a particular job, or if you are going to attend an interview tomorrow, what you do is you do certain rehearsals. It could be standing in front of a mirror or working with a sister or a brother or a friend. Like they act like they are interviewing you and you are going to give an answer to it. Or you can also stand in front of a mirror and keep answering certain questions. So what basically you are doing with it is you are rehearsing. Similarly, you actually using visualization as a technique of rehearsal. You are rehearsing that you are going to get certain things in your life that you always wanted to be in your life. It is basically a rehearsal technique, the visualization technique. It creates a goal or a picture in your life. When you see yourself, I am going to get a dream job in 6 months from now, then you create a mental image of it. Once I get the job, then I am going to find my soulmate. I am going to have a big bungalow. I am going to have a car. I am going to have a happy family. You are creating a mental image within your subconscious mind for it actually to manifest into an action. Create visual picture affirmation goals. You are basically creating a mental picture of what you want 6 months down the line or 1 year down the line. Guided visualization. Guided visualization is a technique that helps you guide with what you want to do. It is basically maneuvering into your mind, how you actually visualize things in your mind. Step by step process, a guided visualization technique where you actually set up a goal and you want to achieve this goal. After achieving this, your goals are getting bigger, your dreams are getting bigger, and you are finally reaching the point where you want to achieve everything that you always wanted to achieve in your life. And that is precisely what guided visualization is all about. Then your mind, body and soul exercise. If you have something in your mind and if your heart says something else and your body does not respond to it, it means there is a disjoint between the head, the heart and the soul. They are not synchronized together. The head, the heart and the soul has to be synchronized together towards one single goal, towards one single objective, and that objective is to achieve your desires, your goals and your ambitions. If it is not synchronized, it is not going to work for you. They all have to come together. Keep repeating all these goals, the objectives, the visualization process, the guided visualization, mental rehearsing. Keep visualizing, keep repeating them. The more you do it, the more you are closer to your success. Tips for visualization. Stay calm all the time. It is extremely, if you get agitated, if you get frustrated, if things are not happening, it doesn't mean that it will not happen. You have to stay focused, be in the state of meditation, completely focused to your goal and objectives. Believe in yourself. You can only do it right because you know what to do it. Go slow and lighten up. Simple, very, very simple techniques that you can use and implement in your visualization techniques to make things happen for you. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is visualization, how visualization works, visualization techniques and some of the visualization tips. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.